90% of women experience pelvic floor muscle relaxation and stress urinary incontinence after childbirth. Are these problems bothering you? PowerMeg is designed to strengthen pelvic floor muscles, control bowel movements, improve muscle tone, prevent postpartum stress urinary incontinence, and improve sexual satisfaction for both men and women. With high-intensity focused electromagnetic, HIEMT is abbreviated as HIEMT, high-intensity focused electromagnetic technology. Pelvic floor chair can activate the pelvic floor muscle tissue and promote collagen regeneration, effectively enhance the pelvic floor muscles, restore firmness and improve elasticity, strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, fight off incontinence, urine leakage, dripping, lower abdomen protrusion, lower pelvic relaxation and other problems, get rid of difficult orgasms and other problems. The pelvic floor muscles are triggered to tighten approximately 12,000 times within 30 minutes, which effectively strengthens the pelvic floor muscles, improves urine penetration, and relaxes in private areas. The effect far exceeds the general Kegel exercise. Sexual health. Women can tighter vaginal canals. Improved sensation. Improves sensitivity. Men can help with erectile dysfunction. Better erections.